Hello, friends. I have COVID. Fun times. You guys, can't believe I got COVID. Me and every other person in the world, we have COVID. It's been a week. It's been a week. Anyway, I'm feeling a lot better, but I'm still a bit congested, as you can probably hear. But everything else is pretty good. The bad part of the illness has faded. By the way, this vlog is not gonna be interesting at all. Just putting it out there. I'm just gonna, you know, tell you what I'm doing today. And it's not gonna be anything interesting. It's been literally exactly a week since I did my test and I tested positive and I started feeling sick. First of all, PSA, okay? PSA. These rapid tests, in the instructions, it always says to do just a nose swab, but you have to do both a throat and nose swab because it can give you a false negative. I'm sure a lot of you know this by now because, I don't know, so many people have COVID. But what happened was initially I did the test with just the nose swab in the morning of the same day that I got the positive test. So I did the test in the morning and it was negative. And I was like, cool, fine, fantastic. At this point, I didn't really have like symptoms. So I went to go out to eat, like blah, blah, blah. And then after lunch, I heard that you have to do both a throat and nose swab. So I redid the test, doing both, and what do you know? I got a positive result. So you gotta do both the throat and nose, and the same thing happened to multiple people. So anyways, do you guys wanna hear about my symptoms? Let's talk about my symptoms. Let's get some tea. First night was the worst. I had the whole thing, you know? Fever, chills, body aches, muscle aches, headache, kind of weird congestion. That was the worst in the first night. Thankfully, I took like Tylenol and stuff and that helped. So if you haven't got COVID yet, stock up on your Tylenol, stock up on your Advil. The painkillers like got me through, okay? They got me through the first few days. I also had like loss of appetite, which is really weird. And then yesterday I started feeling like, not that I lost my taste, but it was very subtle. Right now my symptom is that I have some congestion, like it feels congested, but it's weird because I can still breathe. Like I can breathe, but it's like, it's almost like I'm drowning. I don't know how to describe this feeling. It's weird. Anyway, I have COVID, yay! I'm part of the team, woohoo! I'm making some tea now. I still got my Christmas tree thing up. It's very tiny. I never decorated it, but it's still there, because why not? So that's my situation. Yesterday I watered my plants. Look at my plants. Yay! My plants. The funny thing is, I was just about to go get a booster, and then I heard that I had a close contact, and I was like, no, I was so close to getting a booster. I do think that getting a booster does help, just by seeing people's, like, different people's symptoms and stuff. It does seem that the people that got boosters have, like, slightly less severe symptoms. I mean, I was still okay. It felt like a really bad flu. The second day, after I got up, I basically just like could barely stay awake. I was very, very tired. Yeah, loss of appetite, all those things. But anyway, much better now. My government allows us to go out if we don't have any more symptoms after 5 days. And I still have symptoms. I don't know who is walking out after 5 days. Anyway, today you get to spend the day with me. Someone that's been cooped up for a week by herself. So I might have a lot to say. I already had breakfast this morning. I had overnight oats, chocolate protein overnight oats with blueberries. I haven't been drinking coffee just in case. I don't know. I feel like coffee is probably, I don't know. It's probably not a good idea. So I've been drinking teas and lemon water, like hot lemon water. Ooh, that sounds good right now. Maybe I'll make some hot lemon water. My parents are so sweet. They brought me food a couple of times. My mom made me like congee and stuff, like so sweet. Yesterday I was able to work a bit. Same with Monday. So I think today I'm also gonna do a little bit of work, but I'm taking it easy, like no stress. I'm taking it very easy, not trying to stress myself out, overworking or anything like that. So that's the goal. I wanna be better. I don't want any more of this congestion. I might take a bath today. Anyway, let's make some tea. Tea time. This morning I also got some groceries delivered. You know the worst thing about getting groceries delivered is that they always put it in plastic bags and they put all the produce in the produce bags. I know they probably have to, but like, I don't know, it bugs me. So, yeah. Like when I grocery shop, I barely use produce bags. I just like throw everything in. I already have a tea bag in here from this morning. Do you guys like refill your teas? I always do at least once, otherwise it's a waste. Am I right? The good news is my appetite seems to be back. So I'm actually like able to eat. Yesterday, yeah, the food wasn't tasting very, like it was, it's hard to explain, like unless the taste was like really obvious, it was like kind of hard to like fully pinpoint what I was tasting. I don't know if that makes sense. Anyway, today it seems like it's a little bit more obvious, like taste, but yeah, I just hope I don't actually lose my taste. That would be very sad. Then I wouldn't know what to do. All right. Okay, I'm gonna do some work and I'll see you guys in a bit. I realized I forgot to show you my lunch. No! Well, that was a fail. That was such a fail. I forgot to show you my lunch. Okay, well, it was kind of a mess. I had pasta that I was making. I made this like roasted green pepper pasta, testing out a recipe. I ate a lot of that. I also ate, oh my God, what did I eat? And I also had some fried rice that I made yesterday, along with some Korean savory pancakes that my parents brought me. And I also had, oh my God, I must have been so hungry. I think my appetite's coming back, and it's coming back with a vengeance. So I also had some tteok, which is Korean rice cake. That one was for dessert. And I also had some tofu fries, leftover tofu fries. That's what I ate for lunch. Lots of random things. Oh, and I drink some of this shike. My parents also brought me this. They're so nice. This is, how do I describe this drink? Traditional Korean beverage. It's basically like a sweet beverage made with rice. You can find this at the Korean supermarket. Yeah, it's really good. That's what it looks like. My grandma used to make it like from scratch, and hers was like really amazing. But this one will do. So I drank some of that. I'm just like laying here watching Sex and the City and just like taking a little break, and then I'm gonna make some more food because I'm testing more recipes. I can't believe I forgot to show you what I ate. I made black bean brownies. All right, I have a meeting now, so we'll jump into the meeting. I don't want to do anything. My whole place is a mess. Yay! God, my hair is so greasy. It is disgusting. Hello. Good. I'm surviving. Mostly, I'm still a little congested, but mostly better. It's been fun times. Yeah. Almost 6 o'clock and I'm doing some more work. I was just doing some stuff for the cafe, doing the schedule. We were actually supposed to open this week, but because I got sick and we're kind of understaffed, we just pushed the open date by another week. So that's fun. I feel like so many businesses are like shut down right now, or like they have to close temporarily because everyone's sick with COVID. Like, it's a problem. So be patient with your local businesses because they're probably understaffed because like so many people have COVID. What are we supposed to do when like everyone gets COVID? You know, there's gonna be a labor shortage. Not everyone can work from home. Not every job can be done from home. Anyways, I'm now just doing some more work. I'm gonna finish up a few short clips like Instagram Reels, TikToks. I'm having a really hard time getting back into the groove of working after the holidays. I'm sure I'm not the only one. I was just thinking the other day in the shower, I was like, it's kind of crazy that December is like the month where we're like indulging, we're like spending so much money, we're buying so many gifts and just spending a lot of money in general. We're drinking like all the time, we're going to all these parties and just like, you know, it's like the month of indulgence and just being, you know, crazy. And then like January rolls around and we're supposed to be like super productive and work really hard and exercise all the time and eat really healthy and wake up early and do all these things. And I'm like, no wonder we fail at New Year's resolutions, because how do we go from one thing to the next? Like, it's like pretty much impossible. So I'm like, already, I'm like, is anyone even succeeding in their New Year's resolutions? I don't even have any this year, to be honest. I mean, when you're already this perfect. Anyways, oh my God, I need to wash my hair today and I need to get my hair did. Look at these roots, my dear. Woo! Anyway, moral of the story is that I'm having a hard time focusing on work, being able to actually like work. I'm gonna finish this up and then we're gonna eat dinner and hopefully we can relax a little bit tonight. All right, guys, it is now dark. Right after I said I couldn't focus on work, I focused on work and now it's dark and I haven't eaten and it's 7:30. Woo! And oh my God, you guys, look at this, my kitchen. I've been cooking. I got stuff everywhere. Oh my God, I think I need to clean. It's fine, it won't take that long, I'll clean. But first I gotta eat something. It's like 7:30, I haven't eaten properly, so. Let's see, I'll eat leftovers. Let's see what leftovers I can find, okay? I made these noodles the other day. It's like Singaporean style rice noodles. So I'm gonna eat that. There's veggies, edamame, a curry sort of situation. Maybe a couple of these tempeh bacon. I made it. Tempeh bacon. I'm like really hungry now, oh my God. And then my parents gave me some Korean pancakes, like savory pancakes. These are Korean chive pancakes. I've cut them up already. And then I don't know what this is, but it's another different type of Korean pancake. So I'm gonna eat some of that. Think that's enough food? Oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna heat this up. I'm eating the pancakes with like a spicy sauce. I'll show you. Here it is, it's heated up. I'm gonna have some kimchi on the side, straight from the jar as I usually do. This is the sauce I'm talking about. This is chogochujang, which is like a vinegary sort of gochujang. I think I have a recipe for this on my channel, so I'll link it below if you guys are interested. But we like to dip, us Koreans, we like to dip our Korean pancakes into this sauce. It's really good. Anyways, there's my random dinner. I'm gonna eat. I'm so hungry. All right, dessert time. I'm gonna eat this mini cupcake. My friend gave this to me, gave me a few cupcakes before I got sick, and I still have a few left. So I'm gonna eat a mini cupcake. Look how cute. And I'm also gonna have a little orange juice. Mini cupcake, mini orange juice. There's my dessert. Finished my dinner, finished my dessert, finished watching a movie I started yesterday called Yesterday. It's like this British movie about this guy that realizes that the whole world forgot about the Beatles. Like the whole world does not remember the Beatles. Anyways, that's the premise of the movie. It was pretty good, it was pretty cute. Anyway, look at what I'm looking at, guys. I mean, this is a disaster. Like, it's a problem. As much as I want to relax, I cannot relax in this disgusting pigsty. So I'm actually gonna clean. I feel like it's gonna take me shorter than I think. So I'm gonna put 20 minutes on the timer and just get straight into it and just clean. So wish me luck. See you guys in a bit. feels so good. Oh my gosh. Now I can relax. Yay! I'm going to now take a bath. Let's get my stuff ready. It feels like I swallowed water in my nose. That's what it feels like. It feels like I inhaled water. So there's like a collection of water in my nose. Okay. Look at that. Yeah. I need to wash my hair first. How am I gonna do this? I'll figure it out. All right, me time. Putting my Fitbit back on. Apparently you shouldn't be wearing Fitbits in the shower. Like you can, but like apparently it's not the best. My old one broke. I had to get a new one. So I'm trying to get in the habit of taking it off before I get into the shower. Although the old one I wore it in the shower for like 2 years. And I think I broke it in the seawater. Anyways, oh, I feel so glossy. So that was a very long skincare routine. I don't always follow that routine, but if I have time, I'm like, let me just slather on a bunch of products. No idea if they all work or not, but you know, feels like it's doing something. I feel like I'm putting something on my face. So I always like it when I go to bed, just looking like a glazed donut. Couldn't really get myself to like film a more professional video. So I was like, you know what? I'll just show you what I'm doing today. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this random video. My COVID is getting better. Thank you for spending a day in quarantine with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're also in quarantine, I hope this video made you maybe feel a little less alone. You're definitely not the only one. Right now, I feel like half the world is quarantining. So I don't want to speak too soon, but I feel like this is the beginning of the end, you guys. I feel like we might go back to normal soon. I don't know. Okay, I have a good feeling. Anyway, if you enjoyed this really random video, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and I will be back with you guys and the recipes very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!